My bridge friends are coming over tomorrow and I'm so excited because I haven't seen them in a while. So I'm gonna make a smoked salmon dip that we will snack on while we play. And it's so easy. First, I have about a ½ pound of smoked trout, but you can use smoked salmon. Smoked trout is just what I have because of my fishermen. To that, I'm gonna add 1 brick of cream cheese, some lemon zest, like half-ish of a medium-sized lemon. And then I'm gonna grate part of a jalapeno on the same microplaner I did for my lemon. Little or as much as you want. If you're not into spicy, go easy. If you are into spicy, then go for it. Now I'm gonna add the juice of about half of the lemon, some Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper. Be careful not to get the seeds from the lemon. And if you do, pull them out. Then we're gonna blend it up. I like to use a hand mixer. You can use a stand mixer, you can use a Cuisinart, whatever you've got. You can even mash this, probably. Okay, now that it's all blended, it's time to get the consistency right. As you can see, it's a little bit dry, like kind of in a tuna fish situation. So we're gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise and blend that together. I'm gonna start with like 2 tablespoons and then we'll go up from there. Now when it's all blended, we start tasting. This is when you add a little more salt and pepper, a little more lemon, whatever you think it's missing, this is when you add it. I think it's actually pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit more lemon, and then I'm gonna serve it with crackers and slices of cucumber. And it's a great light snack all summer long. All winter long. Great for holiday parties. I hope you try it. Let me know if you do. Comment, like, share, subscribe, all the things, and I'll see you back here next week.